hope the carriage works, and we're gonna try. We've just been to the locks in a box stand. We're gonna try a matcha.
So wearing white jeans.
Yeah, look at what Courtney's wearing. Trying.
Great.
Oh, wait for me.
It's gonna sound really weird, but I find the lid really satisfying on the lips. Don't you gonna feel thick?
Yeah, it does.
That's good though.
I can really taste the raspberry. Yum. What do you rate out of 10?
I really like that. It's going down real fast. 9.
I can, yeah,
0.1.
8. We've also got this. Courtney's gonna try the hash brown.
That's everything bagel season. Oh, wow. I feel like I need salt.
Contrary to popular belief, I'm not a big hash brown person. Macca's hash brown's better. We've also gone for the salmon bagel.
On an everything
bagel. That sun is shining today.
Oh, actually,
Wait. She never waits for me.
sorry. Cheers. That's so fresh. What's on that?
Oh, that's really good. Try. Yum. That's a 10.